Good day guys, welcome to our channel and welcome to Fillout Pricing Explained. Free versus paid plans. So firstly, of course, let's do a little bit of an intro and let's discuss the flat fee revolution. So if you've been looking for a powerful tool to build forms, surveys, or payment pages, you've probably run into Fillout. But when you start looking at software tools, the biggest headache is always trying to figure out which pricing tier actually fits your project without getting hit by surprise charges down the road. So Fillout does something really unique compared to other form builders. They use a one flat fee, unlimited usage system. So that means you don't get penalized for or charged extra just for inviting your team members or clients into the workspace to help you build. And by the way, if you want to try Fillout and spin it up yourself as we walk through these tiers, make sure to click my link down in the description below to set up your account with a completely free trial and start building right away. So let's pull up the dashboard layout and break down the numbers. Alright, and of course, obviously, let us discuss the power of the free forever tier that you can see on the screen. They explicitly stated. So a lot of platforms give you a free tier that is basically a glorified trial, cutting you off after 3 forms. Fillout handles this completely differently. So on their free, forever, $0 plan, you get access to the absolute ton of premium features out of the gate. So what does that include? Unlimited forms and seats. You can build as many separate forms as you want and invite your whole company to collaborate for zero cost. Pretty nice. Then second, we have advanced logic design. You get multi-page forms, conditional branching logic, and answer piping completely unlocked. Third, we have functional add-ons. So you can generate auto-filled PDFs, pre-fill hidden fields, map tracking scripts, and even collect live client payments. The main constraint you need to watch out for here is the cap of 1,000 responsions per month. If you are running a local business, a basic client intake funnel, or a simple event sign-up list, this free tier is so generous that you might never actually need to pay them a single dime. Also guys, let's pause on this fact for a second about the unlimited forms and seats. So most competitors charge you per user seat every single month. And with Fillout, you can invite your co-founders, your design team, your clients into your workspace to collaborate, and the bill stays exactly at 0. Also, they don't hold back on the advanced building mechanics. So, for example, you get access to multi-page forms, dynamic conditional logic, and answer piping. So let's go here. So if you're not familiar with answer piping, it's a feature where the form remembers what a user typed on page 1 and uses it later. So, for example, if someone types Sarah into the name field, the next page can automatically say, "Thanks, Sarah. What is your email address?" It makes your forms feel incredibly premium and conversational. And you can even accept live credit card payments, generate automated PDF receipts on completion, and set up backend workflows. Alright guys, and now let us move to section number 2, which is the next plan or tier, which is called Starter, and it's about $19 a month. Alright, so when does it actually make practical sense to upgrade and start paying? The first step up the ladder is Starter Plan, which is $19 a month, and built when built on a standard monthly schedule. So the most immediate change you'll notice is your capacity. So your limit instantly doubles to 2,000 responses per month. But you aren't just paying for more volume here. This tier is specifically engineered for businesses that need tighter control over user behavior and data routing. So, for example, on a starter tier, you unlock custom endings and advanced redirect on completion rules. On the free version, when someone hits submit, they stay on a generic confirmation page. With the starter plan, the second a client hits that submit button, you can instantly redirect their browser straight back to your main website, a custom thank you video, or a product sales page. And you also get access to custom login forms. This allows you to build gated portals where users have to authenticate or enter specific credentials before they can even view or fill out your information blocks, which is perfect for private client intake or internal staff tracking. Guys, also don't forget to test the service out. We of course have other tutorials that I've made on our channel about how to use the service. We have a very good tutorial step-by-step for beginners. So if you really want to figure out what actually you're paying for, make sure to check that out. But in general, as you can see, we have this creator input field where we can choose, for example, to build an app, create a database, or create a form that also has different presets. So for those of you guys that never had any, for example, experience with any of it, I would say that starting with the prompts, right, with AI is a pretty good idea, and also choose plan first so that you don't get the final project without being able to kind of adjust it on the go. And if you're curious about the interface, let me just open up my form that I have here. And as you can see on the left, I used AI. As you can see, I said I want to make a workout tracker. So pretty much for you to know, AI makes it way easier for you to create, and pretty much you're paying for the ease of use. You can just also click on any object here. On the right, you will get this editor form or kind of a screen where you can adjust everything in bigger detail. And of course, if you want to check the results, right, of course, don't forget to firstly share your made form. You have analytics, right? As you can see, analytics can be used on the business plan that I'm about to, of course, discuss with you. And that will allow you to gain insights from responses in much bigger detail. So also on a starter tier, you unlock custom endings and advanced redirect on completion rules. So on free version, when someone hits submit, they stay on a generic confirmation page. You also get access to custom login forms. This allows you to build gated portals where users have to authenticate. And before we move on, by the way guys, if you want to explore the white label custom themes or see how the styling engine handles your visual assets, remember that you can click my link down in the description below to create your forms and surveys with a free trial run right now. Alright guys, and the next section is of course our Pro plan, which is, and also the brand factor. So we move into what is universally considered the sweet spot for professional agencies, growing creators and serious digital storefronts, the Pro tier, which costs around $49 a month on monthly, and you can see $40 on annual. So if you're using forms to capture high-value leads or interacting directly with external corporate clients, this is almost always where you want to look. The main reason? This tier allows you to completely remove all platform branding. Instead of having a small built with Fillout badge resting at the bottom of your page, the form becomes a completely white label asset that looks 100% custom built by you or your company. And alongside the branding removal, your volume jumps significantly to 5,000 responses per month. To help you manage the large audience, the Pro tier unlocks deep aesthetic controls. You can discard the standard templates, upload your business's exact custom brand fonts, and inject raw, custom CSS styling sheets. This means you can make your forms match the padding, borders, line heights, and design languages of your primary web application flawlessly. And it also opens up custom share links and automated custom emails sent natively from your own system address. Alright, and last section guys, let's discuss the business tier and also leak prevention. So if your business is firing on all cylinders, running high volume paid ad campaigns, or processing thousands of customer touchpoints every single week, the standard menu tops out at the business tier for $89 per month on month-to-month cycle. So the headline feature here is that it completely unlocks unlimited responses. You never have to log in late at night to check your usage meters or worry about a viral post completely freezing your customer intake spikes because you crossed a monthly quota. But the real hidden value of Business Plan lies in its elite data recovery tools, specifically partial submissions capture. So think about how often a potential customer clicks your link, types in their name, phone number, and email, but then gets distracted by a text message and just closes the tab without ever hitting the final submit button. So on lower tiers, that highly valuable lead is gone forever with partial submissions enabled. Fillout securely caches what the user typed real time as they type it, and even if they abandon the page halfway through, you still collect their contact details, allowing your sales team to follow up manually and recover what would have been a lost client. You also get custom domain routing, meaning your forms live at the formsyourcompany.com instead of a Fillout URL, alongside advanced form analytics dashboards and priority support. Alright guys, so what is the best execution strategy for your business? So if you are a freelancer, solo builder, or just testing a brand new concept, start out completely free on a forever plan. It is incredibly powerful and costs you $0. Remember guys, if you want to jump right now and start mapping out your databases, you can use my link down below in the description to create your forms and surveys with a special free trial portal. Alright, so hopefully this deep dive pricing breakdown cleared up your software confusion. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, of course, and subscribe to the channel for more.